In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from a Visa card to GCash. First, open your GCash app and log into your account. On the home screen, look for the option that lets you add money to your wallet. This is usually the easiest way to move funds from a Visa card into your GCash balance. Next, tap Cash In and choose Bank Card if that option is available. If you have not linked your Visa card yet, enter your card details carefully, including the card number, expiry date, and name on the card. Make sure all the information matches exactly to avoid any errors during the process. After linking the card, enter the amount you want to transfer to your GCash wallet. Review the details before confirming, especially the amount and any possible fees. Then tap Confirm or continue to process the transaction. You may be asked to complete a one-time password or bank verification step. Once that is done, wait for the confirmation message inside the app. In most cases, the money should appear in your GCash balance shortly after a successful transfer. If your Visa card does not support direct cash in, you may need to use another supported bank card or transfer through a linked bank account instead. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.